Madam Gogo Okpotait, UNHCR country representative in Burundi and head of UNHCR delegation. The regional commissioner for Kigoma, Brigadier General retired Emmanuel Maganga, and member of the Tanzanian delegation, governors of different provinces in Burundi, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, good evening. I don't have a prepared statement, but I wish to make following remarks. One, we have graciously witnessed the signing of a joint communique marking the end of very hard work that we had engaged at the level of the technical working group and finally at the level of the tripartite commission. It was indeed very hard work, but finally we have concluded it, and the joint communique is the result of that work. I, on behalf of my delegation, we thank everybody who put his effort towards the end of this joint communique. Thank you to all of you. Secondly, in that connection, we have agreed in this meeting a number of points. I wish to highlight a few. One, we have agreed that there had been tremendous progress in the exercise of assisting voluntary repatriation of Burundi refugees in Tanzania. Big numbers have been repatriated so far since September last year until March this year. This is a commendable job, and I wish to take this opportunity to commend the government of the Republic of Burundi as well as the UNHCR for a well done. Congratulations. I also wish to make a second observation that having assessed that, and in view of the fact that there is encouraging progress on the ground in Burundi in terms of peace, security, and political stability, as well as the big number of refugees who have volunteered to return, we have agreed to fast track, to increase the pace of assisting those refugees to come back to Burundi. This again, a very significant progress that we have made. It's an achievement, and I thank everybody for the efforts that were put towards that end. Thank you so much. Finally, I want to reiterate Tanzania's position that Tanzania will continue working with all partners, that is the Republic of Burundi, UNHCR, to ensure that there is a speedy repatriation on a voluntary basis of Burundian refugees from various camps in Tanzania into Burundi, and at the end of it to their respective homes in Burundi. I want also to assure everybody here and the public at large that Tanzania is committed and to respect international laws in the exercise of the return of all the refugees. We understand that currently we respect spontaneous return of refugees but also we are now assisting those who want to return on the voluntary basis, and they have registered in the numbers. But given the atmosphere that is in Burundi, that we all acknowledge that there is peace, security, and political stability, Tanzania feels, and we are glad also Burundi has agreed that we can move now towards promoted repatriation of refugees who volunteer on their own free will to come back to Burundi. These are the few remarks that I wanted to make. I once again commend and congratulate every one of us for the exemplary work that we have just accomplished. Thank you so much.